Recycling means reusing materials para hindi mapunta sa basura.
Hindi lang ito about art projects. Recycling helps lessen waste, save energy, at makakatulong pa sa kalikasan.
I'll be halfway till my mama's home. It does dawn on me life is as fleeting as a passing ball. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus.
Tip number 1. Linisan muna ang bote, lata, plastic containers bago i-recycle para iwas germs at amoy.
Tip number 2. Separate per material. Plastic to plastic, paper to paper. Mas madali itong kolektahin at i-process.
Tip number 3. Reuse creatively. Gawing flat box ang bote at folding pencil ang lata.
Sa school, pwede gumawa ng recycling corner o eco-bin para sa mga plastic bottle at papel. Pwede rin gumawa ng eco-bricks. Pinupuno ng plastic ang bote para maging construction material.
Diba ang cool? Nakakatulong ka na, nakaka-inspire ka pa sa iba. So remember, mga ka-KNK,
Recycling is not just a trend.
it's a good student practice.